Hello guys, I would like to show you on how to make a crochet beanie hat. Ayan. Nagkagawa na ako ng 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds. So, nasa 5th rounds na ako. Okay, nasa 5th rounds na ako. For the first round, gawa ka lang ng 1 double crochet. So, 12 po siya yung counts niya dito. Okay, 12 counts. For the next round, round 2, all you have to do is to make 2 double crochet, the same stitch. So, countings dito is 24. Then, round 3, that is 36 counts. So, una, gawa ka ng 1. Ito yung post natin. Included po siya sa counting. So, in the next stitch, ito yung dalawa. 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay? Then, the next stitch, 1 double crochet lang siya. Then, next stitch is 2 double crochet, the same stitch. So, habang until ma-finish mo po yan. Then, you have to connect here. Okay, then gagawa ka na naman ulit ng 3 stitch. Okay, 3 stitch. Okay, I will show you later. Let's finish the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th round. Okay, gaya nito. In the 5th round, kasama ang post, 1, 2, 3. Then, the next stitch is 2. Okay, the next stitch is 1, 2, 3, then 2, 1, 2, 3, then 2, the same 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, then next is 1, 2, 3. Then next stitch, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Until ma-finish po yan, yung until here, then you have to join together here. Okay, 1, 2. So, connect mo siya dito. Ayan, so, tapos na tayo. So, we're going to connect here, on the side. Okay, so, line naman siya. Then, you're going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then, ayan, tapos na po yung 5th round natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we're going to round 6. Round 6. So, 2 double crochet. Then, mag-counts muna tayo ng 9. Okay, mag-counts muna tayo ng 9. Including the post. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, 2 double crochet here. Okay. Okay. I'm done. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, the next stitch is 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay. Then, for the next stitch, mag-counts ka na naman ulit ng 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, 2 double crochet. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Until ma-finish mo po siya dito. Ang counts po niyan is 60 counts. I mean, 68 counts. Kasi sa 5th okay, sa 5th round, that is 60 counts, okay? Dito naman sa round 6 is 68 counts.